results are delivered clearly, making it easier to spot patterns, share insights with your team, and move quickly to the next iteration of your product. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where Askable works a bit differently. Askable does not publish fixed pricing plans like Starter or Pro. Instead, pricing is fully customized based on how many studies you run, the type of research you need, and the audience you want to reach. This flexibility makes Askable useful for both quick feedback loops and more structured research. One of Askable's biggest strengths is speed. Setting up a study is straightforward, and participant recruitment is handled by the platform. This makes it especially attractive for startups, product teams, and designers who need insights fast and can't afford long research cycles. The interface is clean and easy to use, even if you're not a professional researcher. Instead of spending weeks recruiting participants and managing logistics, Askable handles the process so teams can focus on asking the right questions and improving their products. The platform is mainly used for product research, UX testing, concept validation, and gathering real human feedback. You can run moderated sessions with live conversations or unmoderated tests where users complete tasks on their own. User research often slows teams down. It takes time, money, and a lot of coordination to get real feedback from real people. In this video, we're doing an honest review of Askable, an AI-powered research platform that aims to make user testing faster, simpler, and more practical in 2026. So what is Askable? At its core, Askable is a platform designed to help teams run user research without the usual complexity. There are also some limitations. Askable is best suited for fast and practical research rather than very deep, long-form qualitative studies. Highly complex research may still require traditional methods. Overall, Askable is a strong AI-driven research platform for teams that value speed, simplicity, and real user input. If you need quick, reliable insights and are comfortable with custom pricing, Askable is definitely worth considering in 2026. After you describe your needs, Askable provides a tailored quote. According to the platform, this price includes participant recruitment, research tools, analytics, and support, with no separate fees for individual participants or hidden add-ons. This approach makes costs more predictable for teams, but it also means you won't see exact numbers up front without contacting sales. For some smaller teams, this pricing model may feel less transparent,